welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I have a good one for you guys. Today I'm making this amazing, so delicious, creamy lemon chicken recipe. This recipe can be done in less than 30 minutes. I hope you enjoy it. But before I begin, as usual, if you're new to my channel, please take the time to subscribe. Join the family. I upload amazing recipes here every day, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me, and let's begin. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. I will make sure to have all the measurement below in the description box. First thing we're going to be doing is basically slice our chicken breast in half, or you can use a meat tenderizer to just mash them, make them nice and thin, because that way they will cook faster. Once I have all of my chicken breasts nice and sliced up, I am going to add a little bit of olive oil on them to help the seasoning sticks. Now I'm getting ready to season my chicken breast. I am using Creole seasoning. You can use any all-purpose seasoning of your choice, or you can even use some Cajun seasoning. Now we're going to use our hand, just rub in the seasoning on the chicken to make sure we have a very flavorful chicken. Once it is done cooking, just rub it all over, give it a nice little massage. Now I'm going to take a little bit of flour, just sprinkle a little bit of flour all over the chicken breast on both sides. That's going to help it nice and crispy, and of course it's going to give it a nice crunch. And this will also make your cream sauce a little bit thicker, so that's a good trick to use. Or you can even use some cornstarch if you like. Now I am going to get ready to cook my chicken breast. So here in this skillet, I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I know I didn't show you guys that in the ingredients, but I am adding the olive oil to prevent the butter from burning. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Once that is nice and melted, I am going to add in my chicken breast. Now I am going to cook my chicken breast for about 5 minutes per side on medium-high heat. While I'm waiting for my 5 minutes to be up, I am about to jump in and cut these lemons, okay? I am going to just slide them very thinly to add them to the dish once it's almost done. Also, we will be using some lemon juice as well to make this nice and lemony. All right, just squeeze those lemons, and once you are done, you're going to pour this into the cream sauce. Just keep on watching to see how I incorporate this lemon juice into the sauce. All right, Google just told me my 5 minutes is up, so we're going to flip it over and cook the other side for another 5 minutes. And if you need any more oil or butter, just go ahead and add that in and just keep on cooking your chicken. Now look how beautiful and golden brown our chicken turns out. I am super duper happy about that. So I am going to set them aside and we're going to move on to make the cream sauce. To make the cream sauce, it's very easy. I am going to be adding 2 more tablespoons of unsalted butter into my frying pan. Once that is melted, I am going to fry my garlic. Once the garlic is nice and fragrant, we are going to be adding in our heavy cream. That's what's going to make this sauce nice and creamy. Just pour that in. All right, now guys, we're going to be adding our Dijon mustard, or you can use yellow mustards. This is always an option when it comes to my recipes, you guys already know. Now I'm going to be adding in my cheese. I am using pepper jack cheese. You can use Parmesan cheese or any cheese of your choice. Just give that a stir. At this point, you should be cooking it on medium-low heat. Just let that simmer. And we're going to season our cream sauce. I am using about a teaspoon of the Creole seasoning as well as some dry parsley. Just stir that in just like so. Make sure you taste it. If you need anything else, that way you can add it in. Now we're going to be placing the chicken into the creamy sauce because our sauce is literally ready to go. Just place your chicken in there, and if there any sauce remaining on the plate that you were resting your chicken in, just pour that in. It's all flavor, honey, all flavor. Now we're going to be placing those lemon slices right in there. Oh wow, this is going to be so great. Just place those in and you are going to baste your chicken with the cream sauce and let it simmer for another 2 to 3 more minutes. And I'm adding some dry parsley again because that makes dry parsley just make everything just come together so well. And I added a little bit more Creole seasoning and just baste your chicken with that creamy sauce. Oh my God, it looks so gorgeous. As this sit, of course, it's going to be more thicker and more creamier. This is going to be a staple in your home. You have to try this out. Now get your rice ready. This is ready to go. I hope you guys give this a try. Look how beautiful and gorgeous. Now, can we say restaurant quality? Come on now, this is it. This in my book is definitely a 10 out of 10. The chicken was so flavorful. You just have to try it for yourself to know what I'm talking about. Thank you for watching today's recipe, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Also, if you try this out for your family, don't forget to come back and leave me a comment on how you like it. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will see you all on the next recipe. Bye, guys.